check out this awesome sign I got my wife for Mother's Day last year. It's been up for a year, no problems. So I'm going to show you how to hang it up. My sign came with a little something in the back here, so I'm going to try to pry this thing out. I have like a mini pry bar here. Looks like I got it from Ace Hardware. Oh, there it is. Came right out. These staples, I could probably pry these out too. I've placed this against the brick to figure out where I want to place my holes. And then I found these stainless steel screws that I had laying around, so these should go in pretty good. Stainless steel screws, and then I have these, which are stainless steel finish washers, so the screw will set in those just fine. Now I'm going to start drilling my holes where I'm going to add the screws. There's one. Oh yeah, to select the bit, I just hold the screw up and, ow, that was hot, holy cow. The one where it covers up all the threads of the screw, that's the one that you're going to use. So I'm going to have a screw up at the top there and one right here at the bottom. Try to get it right in the center there. Beauty wood. I don't know what. I ended up using these True Grip anchors. They anchor everything here. Use, drywall, tile, and cinder block. So you can use them for everything. And it comes with an masonry bit, but I ended up buying a different masonry bit because theirs seemed to drill a little too thick. So I've been using this one that I bought separately. So I placed it in the grout correct lines. Now I'm going to kind of hold it here best I can. Get a hammer and you're going to tap it a little bit. So tapping these with the hammer shows me exactly where I need it to be, where I need to drill my holes. So I just find that. I'm going to put this there. Do our best to drill. Okay, that's far enough. I think I went a little far there, so don't have to drill it all the way through. Now I'm going to find my other mark, which was right over here. Drill it. That's far enough. Just insert the anchor, tap it in with the hammer. Uh-oh. Hope that one's not too loose. Now we just get our sign. Start the first one. Find the hole with the second one. And just drill it until it feels tight, but don't force it in. There. And there. That is how you attach a sign to your brick. I think 2 screws should be plenty. Here's the finished sign. I'll kind of do a swoop around here in a minute. I hope you've liked it. Please like and subscribe to the video if this helped. It'll definitely help me make more videos. We're going to swoop around here, and it is flush. So you can't get anything. Wind can't whip this off or anything. I use stainless steel screws and also stainless steel, forget what those are called, but and that's how the sign looks.